What an insane week for both the traditional markets as well as crypto. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and welcome to another episode of Last Week Crypto. Every Sunday, we review the performance of the largest cryptocurrencies, top gainers, as well as the latest global news stories affecting the crypto markets this past week. This week, we will discuss rampant corruption among centralized entities, where retail investors may go following the GameStop fiasco, how the US dollar is in a gigantic bubble, and why DeFi is the future of financial products and services at large. To check out the links to all of the articles we discuss, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. This week's episode is brought to you by Crypto.com, an exchange with over 55 different cryptocurrencies. On Crypto.com's mobile app, you can buy crypto with bank transfers, credit, debit cards, or crypto at true cost with no markups. Crypto.com also has a desktop exchange that is solely for crypto-to-crypto trading, which isn't available in the US quite yet. If you use the link below to sign up for Crypto.com, you will receive $25 worth of cryptocurrency for free when you use the referral code CryptoCasey, all while supporting the channel. Also, every Wednesday, I conduct a weekly AMA or Ask Me Anything at Instagram.com/CryptoCasey. So use the link to my one and only official Instagram account listed in the description area to follow me and ask me anything you want every Wednesday. I will be starting to live stream content on my twitch.tv/CryptoCasey account, so pop over there to subscribe for some weekly content soon. Awesome. Last week crypto. Go! Looking at the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin up 3.3%, ETH up 10.3%, XRP flipped DOT by market cap and is up an insane 47.4%, while DOT is down 3.2%. Looking at the top gainers this week, my goodness, do we have some gainers this week. Phantom up an epic 387.5%, Doge still up 178.3% despite the crash, Alpha Finance up 159.6%, and 1inch up 136%. I do believe that altcoin season is upon us. This has been one hell of a week for crypto retail investors as well as traditional market retail investors amid the whole GameStop short squeeze fiasco. And if you haven't yet, check out my video I posted covering the GameStop short squeeze, as I will mostly be covering other news that happened over the week in this episode. And retail investors aren't the only ones who have made profits from hedge funds. Confirmed by the US Senate just this past Monday, the new Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, received 800 G's from hedge fund and GameStop controversy. White House doesn't commit to recusal. Yellen received around $810,000 in speaking fees from the hedge fund that bailed out one of the primary losers in the recent GameStop frenzy. Yellen's financial disclosure shows her making $337,500 for multiple days in October of 2020 from Citadel. She similarly banked $292,500 in October of 2019 and $180,000 in December of that year. But if you've been tuning into the show, you'll remember from previous episodes that the $800,000 is just a portion of the $7.2 million she's collected from Wall Street for speaking fees over the past 2 years. In her new position as the first female Treasury Secretary, do you think her loyalties will continue to lie with the big, centralized entities that make up Wall Street? Well, as we were reminded this week from centralized exchanges like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and others freezing retail investors' trading activity to help out their fellow centralized hedge fund friends, we need to start moving to more transparent, decentralized solutions. And not just for the finance industry. Oh no, centralized financial corporations have fellow centralized corporate cronies in all types of industries around the world. Check it out. Google removed over 120,000 of negative Robinhood reviews, citing violations related to rating manipulation, the firm reportedly said. Google doesn't think that their buddies at Robinhood are getting one-star reviews because of their blatant market manipulation. Oh, no. Clearly, the retail investors are the manipulators, not Robinhood. Retail investors are guilty of rating manipulation. Good thing Google was able to clear that up. In just a few hours, Robinhood's rating went from 1.0 to 3.6. Nice! Centralized corporate cronies strike again and again. Not all the centralized corporate cronies are making out all right this week, though. Ripple demands Bitcoin and Ethereum docs from SEC amid legal fight. The cryptocurrency company Ripple has taken the unusual step of filing a Freedom of Information request with the Securities and Exchange Commission. asking the agency to release documents concerning its determination that Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two most popular digital currencies, are not securities. Geez, after all of that lip service from Ripple about how they're all for and all about crypto, not just about making money for themselves with their big banker scam coin, just went out the window as far as I'm concerned. Why would you even want to open that can of worms with the SEC if you actually cared about the crypto space at large? You wouldn't. They're just selfish and looking out for themselves. Typical of a centralized financial corporation, though. Are we even surprised? Well, thanks to the GameStop debacle, a lot of corrupt financial activities and the relationships with the government are coming to light and the forefront of people's attention. Since centralized exchanges restricted retail investors from trading GameStop and AMC stocks, the Wall Street Bets community and other retail investors will only have one place to go if they want an even playing field. Data reveals Bitcoin could be about to become the new GameStop after a huge price spike. Now, data has revealed hedge funds are short Bitcoin to the tune of more than $1 billion, even as retail traders pile into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Another short squeeze in the cards? We shall see. By the way, here's another notable short. That's right, the US dollar. Why is it so? Well, we are in a gigantic Fed-induced bubble. The latest speculative mania is the result of trillions of dollars worth of liquidity being pumped into the markets. The same phenomenon occurred in the early stages of Germany's hyperinflation. Almost everyone was playing the market. Speculation alone, while adding nothing to Germany's wealth, became one of its largest activities. The fever to join in, turning a quick mark, infected nearly all classes. And the effort expended in simple buying and selling the paper titles to wealth was enormous. Everyone from the elevator operator up was playing the market. The volumes of turnover in securities on the Berlin Bourse became so high that the financial industry could not keep up with the paperwork. Even with a greatly swollen staff of back office employees, the Bourse was obliged to close several days to work off the backlog. How uncanny. It's almost as if history is, repeating itself or something? At any rate, one thing is for certain. A tidal wave of capital is about to flow into crypto. No thinking about it. Capital has been flooding in over the past year, and this GameStop thing just made even more waves. Here's the thing. Everything is about to go crypto, and there isn't anything anyone will be able to do about it. But they will try. In fact, India to ban permanently private cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. They will introduce their own official cryptocurrency. And what does that mean for India? It means Bitcoin adoption in India is about to explode. The network doesn't care about the arbitrary rules of the misinformed elites. It's true, the nature of this technology is such that you can't prevent people from using it, and you can't shut it down. The only thing that could stop blockchain technology is, a zombie apocalypse, a supervolcano blocking out the sun, sending us into an ice age, an alien invasion, or an asteroid destroying the Earth. And people are starting to catch on. DeFi in the spotlight as legacy brokerages break down as retail trust in the stock market comes under strain. DeFi developers champion an alternative system. As legacy markets roil, brokerages break down and accusations of market manipulation fly. Longtime decentralized finance adherents can't help but say, I told you so, when it comes to the need for open, unstoppable, permissionless financial architecture. And big institutions know it too, and are front-running the incoming, inevitable tidal wave into crypto, and DeFi in particular. Grayscale wants to launch trusts for AVA, EOS, Uniswap, and other altcoins. The world's biggest crypto asset management firm has filed new trusts in Delaware's corporate registry. And other institutions are following suit. Crypto lender BlockFi registers Bitcoin Trust with SEC. BlockFi is the latest firm to go up against Grayscale's behemoth Bitcoin Trust. Awesome. A lot of people have asked me about BlockFi, and I am a huge fan of the financial services they are currently providing and looking to provide in the future for cryptocurrency investors. You can earn more from your crypto. With a BlockFi interest account, your cryptocurrency can earn up to 8.6% APY. Interest accrues daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees and no minimum balances. With a trading account, you can make instant trades and start accruing interest immediately, all at a low cost. With a loan account, you can also borrow money at rates as low as 4.5% APR. Coming soon will be the world's first Bitcoin rewards credit card, earning you 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. So if you're interested in learning more about BlockFi and their services, scroll down to the description area below to access the correct and official site, all while supporting the channel. And if your crypto is not with BlockFi, it sure as heck better not be on an exchange right now. Once you have your Bitcoin and other cryptos, make sure you are transferring it off of the exchange to hold long-term in a cold storage hardware wallet ASAP. The best time to get a cold storage hardware wallet was yesterday. The next best time is today. So scroll down to the description area below to access the correct and official sites of my recommended hardware wallets. BC Vault is my personal favorite. Another option is the Ledger Backup Pack. So scroll down and check them out. And once your crypto is secure and protected, you also need to protect your ability to generate income. And there are a ton of opportunities currently available in the cryptocurrency and blockchain tech space. And the opportunities will continue to exponentially increase. So if you're interested in learning how to become a developer in the industry or learn more about the advanced technical concepts of blockchain technology, check out Ivan on Tech's Academy. Using the link in the description area, you can access the Academy at a discounted price. So scroll down and check it out. Awesome. Well, that was Last Week Crypto with me, Crypto Casey. If you enjoyed the episode, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. To check out the links to all the articles we discussed, go to cryptocasey.com/lastweekcrypto. So do you think we could see German mark's history repeat itself with the dollar? Are you hedging against inflation by investing in cryptocurrency? If you have crypto, are you going to check out BlockFi? Let me know in the comments below. Be safe out there.